This manual coffee grinder is made of durable and precise stainless steel burr which has a built-in 5-axis CNC numerically controlled sharp blunt grinding core. It is more effective than a ceramic core burr grinder. About 45 seconds for the one-time grind. The coffee mill hopper can fill approx. 15 to 20 grams coffee beans which can make 1 to 2 cups for a one-time grinder for coffee. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Stainless steel burr grinder. The coffee grinder has a built-in 5-axis CNC numerically controlled sharp blunt steel grinding core. Stainless steel burr is more precise, and grinding is labor-saving and smooth. The grinding speed is less than 50 seconds. The stainless steel burr is more professional than the ceramic grinding core. The grinding powder is more uniform. Number 2. Portable manual coffee grinder. You can put the grinder in your bag for travel, hiking, outdoors trip, backpacking. The portable burr grinder must be the best choice for your coffee life. Number 3. 5.7 inches long hand crank. The long hand crank of the hand coffee grinder has a proper force that can be easily applied to the coffee beans. The freely detachable hand crank design is easy to carry with you. Number 4. Visible coffee powder capacity. The capacity of the coffee glass container is about 48 grams coffee powder. The coffee grinder hopper can fill approx. 20 grams coffee beans which can make 1 to 2 cups for a one-time grinder for coffee. Number 5. 6 grades adjustable coarseness setting. This metal coffee burr grinder comes with 6 precise settings levels so that you can set a specific grind from coarse to fine. For example, here are some right grind size. 1 to 2 grade for espresso machine, 2 to 3 grade for mocha pot, 3 to 4 grade for pour over and Chemex, 4 to 5 grade for French press, 5 to 6 grade for cold brew coffee. Number 6. Enjoy making coffee. Quiet hand coffee mill burr. Hand handle operation coffee grinder mill is quieter than an electric coffee grinder. Enjoy your coffee making process without bothering others. Enjoy the coffee bean to brew with the smooth effective grind. Number 7. Coffee lover gift. Our innovative design, stainless steel burr and exquisitely wrapped pack. All parts of the coffee grinder make it expensive and elegant. Best present for Christmas. 100% satisfaction guarantee for 365 days. Please note, coffee bean not included, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What is the warranty on this item? Answer. If it is not man-made damage, the service life is for 2 years. Question number 2. How do you clean the upper part where burr and beans are? Answer. You can use a brush to clean it. Question number 3. Can this grind cacao nibs? Answer. The grease content of the coffee bean is 16%, and the grease content of cacao nibs is 50%. So it may be blocked. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.